Jaguars are the largest of South America's big cats and the third biggest cats in the world. At one time, jaguars roamed all the way to the US-Mexico border, but jaguars are now occasionally sighted in Texas and Arizona. Most jaguars are found in the Amazon River basin. The name jaguar comes from the Native American word Jaguar, which means he who kills with one leap. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a jaguar, a big cat from South America. Start by drawing a line here. Make sure to draw gently or it will be hard to erase after this video. Or if you don't know how to draw a line, you could use a ruler. But all the way down right here. Then add like this vertical line here. So it's shaped like a cross. Now, afterwards, draw a circle. By going down to make, as a guide to make the head. Then, afterwards, add another vertical line here. Then add a curve here, going up, making a semicircle, and then end up here. Then afterwards, in the bottom, draw like a curve as a guide to make the chin. And make it like an upside down moon. So afterwards, add a curve to make the upside down crescent. Then go back up and make sure the bottom one is connected. Then afterwards, try to add a curve and connect with this part. Then go up here. Then go up. And then draw this extra part of the ear. Extra ear. Then afterwards, for the head, make a curve. Then make another curve, just like what we did to the leopard video. Then afterwards, go up. And then start to go down. And then add a curve into the end. And then later, we're going to erase the guidelines that we used to make all the essential body parts. Then afterwards, add like two big fangs right here to make it as triangles. But don't forget to add curves in them. Then add two little triangles. Circles. Just up to 5 in the bottom. Then shade this part. With a darker shade. Then go here. Then afterwards, go here. Shade in here in this curve, but not in the bottom part. Then afterwards, shade in the nose. On the topper part, do a lighter shade. And then do a darker shade at the bottom. Then, afterwards, trace this part. And then, afterwards, draw a curve. And then, shade in with this part in the inside part of the ears. Then afterwards, add some like lines here to the chin. Then afterwards, add some more here. Then afterwards, shade a little bit lightly here in the chin. Then afterwards, add some stripes here. Then afterwards, shade in here. So dark first, then medium, then light here. So trace this part going down, and then do it the same with the teeth. And that's it for this perfect cat. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of my videos. And I'll see you later in the next one.